Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this umbrella applique. It's a very easy and quick to do applique even for absolute beginners. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to crochet this umbrella applique are, here I have taken two different sizes of crochet hook. For making the top portion of the umbrella applique, I'll be using this 3 mm crochet hook, and for working with the handle part, I'll be going for 2.5 mm crochet hook. I've taken two different color 4-ply cotton yarn and scissors. So let's begin. To start up with our applique, first we'll be making the top part. For that, I'm using this red colored cotton yarn and a 3 mm crochet hook. Make a magic circle. And into this magic circle, work 6 half double crochet. So here I have done with 6 half double crochet. Now pull the tail of the magic circle to close it. And once you have closed the magic circle, you need not work any slip stitch. Now for the second round, work one chain and turn your work. And the sequence of this round is to work 2 half double crochet into each of the stitches. So going into the first stitch, work 2 half double crochet. Going into the next, again work 2 half double crochet. So just work half double crochet increases into each of the stitches. So after completion of second round, in total I have worked 12 half double crochets. Now we'll start with the third round. Work one chain and turn your work. And the sequence of this round is to work 1 half double crochet into the first stitch, followed by an increase, that is 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So going into the first stitch, work 1 half double crochet. Into the second stitch, work 2 half double crochet. So this is a sequence that you will be following for the entire round. So by end of this round, you will be having in total 18 half double crochet. So I've come to the end of the third round. Now for the fourth round, work one chain and turn your work. And the sequence of this round is to work 1 half double crochet each into the first 2 stitches, followed by a half double crochet increase into the third stitch. So going into the first stitch, work 1 half double crochet, followed by 1 more half double crochet into the next stitch, and into the third stitch, work 2 half double crochet. So this is a sequence that will be following for the fourth round, working 1 half double crochet into the first 2 stitches, followed by an increase into the third stitch. So here I am done with the fourth round, and after completion of the fourth round, the total number of half double crochets are 24. Now we'll be working over the base of the applique. Work one chain and going through each of the stitches, work one single crochet. Now in total over the base I have worked 14 single crochets. Now moving to the upper side, going to each of the stitches, work one single crochet. So from here till here I have worked about 12 single crochets. Now we will be working a picot stitch. For that work 3 chains and going on top of the single crochet, work one single crochet. Now going through rest of the stitches, work one single crochet each. So I worked 12 single crochets. Now going to the end, just work one slip stitch and cut the yarn. So here I am done with the top part of the umbrella applique. Just weave in all the loose yarns inside. Now we shall work with the handle part. For that I'll be using brown colored yarn and a 2.5 mm crochet hook. To start up with the handle part of our umbrella applique, make a slip knot and work 19 chains. So here I have done 19 chains. Now skip the first chain from the hook and going into the next 10 chains, work one single crochet each. Now I am left with 8 chains. Into these 8 chains we will be working 4 sets of single crochet reduction stitches. So going into the first 2 stitches, work the first single crochet reduction stitch. Again moving to the next 2, work the second reduction stitch. In similar way we will be working 2 more reduction stitches. Now once you are done with the reduction stitches, just cut the yarn. Now since you have worked 4 sets of reduction stitch at the bottom part, you will get a curved appearance for the handle. Now just weave in all the loose yarns inside. So I put all the loose yarns on the inner part. Now just place this top portion over the handle. Either you can stick it to the handle or sew it. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.